welcome back to my channel. आज मेरे मेकअप में मत जाओ. I haven't done much. I've just done something random. तो आई डेंट डू फुल कवरेज. मुझे चाहिए भी नहीं था, मुझे रेडी भी नहीं होना था. बस जैसे मैंने मुझे व्लॉग इंट्रो शूट करना था तो मैंने कुछ चपड़ कर ली. सो मैं यहाँ पे आई हूँ टू टेल यू दैट couple of days back I went to one of my friend's jewelry store. He basically, me, my husband, him and his sisters, all of us used to go to tuition, so we went to two tuitions, both of us, and as in all the four of us. There were a couple of other kids as well. So basically I know him from, I think I was in sixth standard or something, so it is like long. It goes way long back, and he has opened this new store. He already had a jewelry shop, so that was apparently what he said was that was rented, and they built a new place and they moved to that location. So basically, what I did was, he was asking me to come over once, so I went there. I had some work. Basically, मैं इस ring के लिए गई थी because the stones had fallen off. This is a very old ring given by my grandmom, so I wanted to get this one fixed. तो मैं इसके वजह से गई, and I had to buy some couple small things like these ऊपर वाले stuff and everything which I always buy from him. तो इसलिए मैं उनके पास गई, and then I liked couple of pieces, so I thought why not be vocal for local and help our friends and families who are coming back to life after pandemic. So this is no way a pity party for them. I'm not telling that they're doing bad or whatever. It's just that whenever we have an opportunity, we should try and help out people who would definitely need the push. Maybe they're not in the rucks, but they might need a little push. So that's why I thought I'll just go and check that out. मैं पहले इतना नहीं गई हूँ. I just wanted to go and see because the shop looked very enticing, and यार हम तो जाते ही हैं मलबार, भीमा and वगैरह वगैरह. Bhima is from Karnataka, so those of you don't know, yeah, we tend to go to these places. They are big corporations, and there are many jewelers like these who are working really hard, and I wanted to, if in any which ways I wanted to buy something, and if that promotes and if he gets more people buying from him, I would definitely do that. So that's the intention of it. I have no dwellers in particular. I buy wherever I like good pieces that I find, and if the quality is good, I pick it up. If I like the gold, or if I know the gold is of good quality, I pick it up. And I can say that this his name is Vimal, so if any of you goes there, you can tell Sabha told us about the shop, and we want Vimal to help us out. He will definitely be there, and he will definitely help you guys out. So Vimal, if you're seeing this, I hope you get a lot of customers. And I really liked a lot of jewelry. I wish I had an entire bank to buy it. And also I wanted to tell you, if you have any old gold that you want to resell and then purchase, they do that as well. And as far as I know, I haven't taken it, but as far as I know, they also pawn old jewelry, so you can keep your old jewelry and avail a loan. I have no clarity on the interest rates or whatever. Next time if I go and if I get to know, I will tell you to you guys in some other video. But you can go out and go there and check that out. I don't have the picture of the storefront. I will try to ask Vimal to send it to me, but whatever was captured in his in his shop, I will share it to you guys. The day when we went, there was a lot of crowd. It is not just like new. It is new, decently new, but it's not like the opening day. We didn't go on the opening day, that's what I mean. So we didn't go on the we didn't go on the opening day. It's a pretty new shop, not very new. That complex is new, is what I'm trying to tell. So go check it out, guys, and I'm sure you guys will like something or the other. And keep watching and keep loving, and share this video with as many friends and family as possible, and help each other out. Let's help local businesses. Let's help local vendors, local jewelers, all of these guys out. They might not be in a bad situation right now, but definitely nobody is in a better situation as well. Nobody's on the streets, but still nobody's very safe as well. Everybody has been affected, everybody is going through their problems, so let's help each other out. It will provide for their families. So this is not for Vimal though. I'm not pointing fingers at him. I'm just telling in general. So yeah, guys, that's about it. I will see you in next videos. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should, because I do some of the talking jibber jabbering over there. Yeah, so I am inserting the clips of the place that we went, and also the jewelry pieces that I picked up. So this is not just my pieces, these are my mom's and mine both put together. I'm just sharing it with you guys. It's not this video. First, let me first clear it out. This video is in no way to show off or to tell that I can afford things or I can't, or whatever it is. There's no conclusion to it. I just felt that, since I've known this person for so long, he is younger to me, and I know this guy from so long, because me, my husband, and him and his sister, all of us used to go to tuitions as kids. So yeah, I know my husband since then. I know him from his school days, study days, and so we all used to go together. And his father back then also had a jewelry shop. It was to buy these silver wale stuff, या फिर छोटे छोटे earrings. Bye.